Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem with server 400 error on YouTube. So for that, you're going to have to immediately restart your device. Once done, head over to your Wi-Fi and see if it's stable or not. If your Wi-Fi is unstable, make sure that you are connected to a secure Wi-Fi and the connection is stable. Next, tap onto Play Store. Then here search for YouTube. In here, if you see update, tap on update and update your app. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Long tap onto YouTube and select the eye icon. You will get to this app info page. Scroll below, select storage and clear the cache. Now once done, select force stop, then select OK. Restart your device again, launch your YouTube and it will fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you may go ahead, try YouTube via a browser. The browser could be Chrome or Brave, and after a couple hours, the issue of YouTube might be fixed automatically. Thank you for watching.